The first thing you'll want to do is gather all of your materials. You will need a water pitcher, potting soil, a slow release pellet fertilizer. We like to use Osmocote Smart Release. Choose your plants. We chose annuals that we knew would tolerate part to some full sun. You need a container or planter, plastic for lining, some burlap, some type of a focal piece or accent for the middle of your planter. We chose an angel, a nice pair of gloves, a small shovel or plastic container for moving soil around, and some rocks. Remove the top layer of the older soil and wet the soil to help the plant's roots take hold and to cut down on the dust that will be produced when you are planting. Line your metal container with the burlap. Our burlap was torn and had a hole in the bottom, so we put a plastic liner between the burlap and the soil, and then we're sure to poke holes so that the water would still drain nicely through the plastic and the burlap. Then you'll want to place a few rocks at the bottom of the container. This just helps to weigh down our metal container a bit and also allows for nice drainage as you're watering it. Next thing you'll want to do is fill the top half with fresh potting soil and then dampen this soil again. Add the Osmocote food pellets to feed your fresh plants. They're annuals and need a lot of nourishment for the roots to take hold well and so that they are given a chance to produce during the short season of life. Gently remove the plants from the containers by tapping the sides of the plastic holder. Remove some of the soil gently by shaking the plant as to not damage new root growth. Add plants one at a time, angling them slightly outward to provide for better design, and also this allows them the ability to drape over the side of your container as they grow. Leave space in the middle for your accent piece. Ours was the angel statue. We placed an old planter liner under the angel, which had some holes in it and allowed for good drainage around it. Use bamboo sticks and waterproof tape to secure the angel in the planter as it grows. Things will grow around it and cover up the bamboo stakes. In general, you want to plant your taller plants in the back of the container and shorter in the front. Once all of these are planted, you'll want to trim any excess plastic around the edges of the container. After all the plants are in place, you'll want to generously water again and watch to see that drainage goes through all of your layers correctly and drains through. At the end of your project, you will want to spritz off any dirt, go back and remove any dead blooms and leaves on your plants again. Clean up your space and watch it grow.